Good morning, everyone. This is Alexiy from All About Imports. Welcome to your Tech Tip Tuesday. Hopefully all you guys had a nice, good long weekend. And today we're going to be talking about AC systems in cars. Now, when you're going on a long drive on a hot day, you may want to use the AC to keep cool. Now, when you arrive to your destination, shut off the car, go inside and come back in a couple of minutes, you may notice that it's a bit musky and smelly and damp inside. Now, to combat that potential musky smell that could be coming from your air conditioner vents, here's a quick tech tip you can use to prevent the mold. Most cars operate with a maximum AC setting that involves turning on the AC and recirculation. What that means, it takes the already cooled air from the interior of the vehicle and recirculates it so the AC system doesn't have to work as hard. Also, it draws out more moisture, keeping you comfortable in the interior. When you're driving with your air conditioner on, before you reach your destination, keep your fan setting at a comfortable speed, turn off your air conditioning and recirculation if your car has the option. It brings the fresh air from the outside to dry out any moisture left behind when the air conditioner was running. As well as, if you notice a small pool of water underneath your vehicle in the summertime, most likely it's the water dripping from the air conditioner. That's the moisture that it's pulling out of the air. Most cars these days have a cabin air filter. What it does is, it filters out any dust, pollutants, or pollen that might be brought in through your air conditioning system. Be sure to have that checked before the heavy summertime. Thank you for watching Tech Tip Tuesday. This has been Alexiy from All About Imports.